Hello everyone, my name is Samsudjasan. In this video tutorial, I will show you how you can make this kind of real estate website for your real estate business with Semantic UI and HTML basic CSS. Okay, you can see this website is pretty beautiful. It has a filter where you can search your property, your city, your areas, and all those filter types. You can find more options. This is only front-end, not back-end, so this is only design you can get. It has this effect with Semantic UI, and I used this grid system of Semantic UI to make this two image in a row and this 4 image in another row. But you see carefully, in first row you can see there is 2 column with 2 image, and below row you can see this 4 images. It has 4 column. Okay, below this grid system I used a heading from Semantic UI, and with the heading I used some icons and responsive this grid with some icons. This is pre-made Semantic UI icons, and this footer is totally I copy and paste. I will not show how to make this kind of footer. This is very easy. I will show uh, from here to all this how you can make this with Semantic UI. On thing, just right click and inspect, and click on this mobile phone, this toggle device toolbar. Click on here and you can see this device is iPhone X. Refresh it. Now we can see this responsiveness. You see this menu is expanded, and this is the filter option. Click on it. You can filter here, and all the grid, all the column and row, this must vertically align. You see. Okay, on things, just search on Google Semantic UI. You can find this website semantic-ui.com. Here you will find all the documentation you need to make website with Semantic UI. You don't need help of any others. You can follow this tutorial to know the basics of Semantic UI, and you can apply that in your next project with the help of this documentation. It has all topic covered by this documentation. You can see this is button. I will show you how you can use this button from this documentation. Okay, one more thing, just search on Google and just write md space SHAYON GITHUB. This is my GitHub page where you can find the repository where I made the finished project of this tutorial. Just go to this repository tab. From there you can find this project, your front-end UI project. This is not it, so you need to go this branch, Semantic UI real estate website. Click here, and this is the code. If anything went wrong in your project, you can just copy and paste from here. Just this is index.html raw, make it raw, and just like this copy all of them and paste. So because in this tutorial I will show how you can use those, so you need to follow this tutorial. I will use CDN for this project. Just search for ACMANTICUICTN. Okay, Here from the cdn.js, click here. Okay, now just I'm going to minimize it and create a new folder in my desktop. The folder name will be REALESTATE. This is the name of our project. In here I'll create a new file index.html. This is the main file where we will add every HTML code. Okay, I will use Visual Studio Code for this project. You can use others like Sublime Text, Atom, or anything else, but I am recommending you to use Visual Studio Code. It is very faster and easy, stable. So just open your project with Visual Studio Code. Okay, real estate. This is our project index.html. Okay, just shift and on and tab. It will give you the boilerplate HTML code. This is the advantage of Visual Studio Code. If you are using Sublime Text or Atom, you need to write this from the beginning, but what you can do is you can install an plugin or extension, whatever you call. Just search for EMMET, because in Visual Studio Code it is pre-made installed, so I don't need to install it manually. If you are using Atom or Sublime Text, do it by yourself. You can find some tutorial on YouTube on it. Okay, REALESTATE, real estate. This is the title. Link, this will be the link of Semantic UI. Go below, copy this on semantic min.css. Just copy and paste it inside href. Okay, one more thing I need to include, that is script, that is jQuery, src jQuery. Let's search for jQuery cdn, jQuery cdn. I will use minified version of jQuery. I included only CSS file. Now this time we need this semantic.min.js. Copy it, and below this script, something went wrong. I am copying it manually. Copy. I don't need this script tag now. Paste it. Shift Alt F. This will reformat your code. It will need an extension, that is BEAUTIFY. You need to install this. I already installed it, and you need to activate. I already activated my Beautify. So if you use this extension, what you can do is you just press Shift Alt and F. It will reformat your code. Okay, so the user, or the another person will be easily understand your code. This will be more readable. Okay, at first I'll create few more folder inside this real estate, this root folder. Get new folder. First one will be CSS, second one will be JS, and third I have some images on this folder. This is img folder. I'm going to just cut it and paste it inside this root folder. Paste it here. Okay, these three folder we need. The first one, the second one is image with few images. Create a style.css, style.css, and javascript with main.js. Let's add those file inside our main HTML. Below all of the script text, I'll write one more script, script script source js/main.js. Save, and below this semantic min.css, I'll add one more link with css/style.css. Okay, inside body, let's start working. Just write shift 3 a hash and tab, hash, and write landing. It will give you an id, div with an id. This is the advantage of emit. I have shown you how you can install emit. Okay, let's make a few classes. ui.accountable.menu. This is secondary menu, so it will not have any background color. Stackable mean it will be responsive when you go to any other devices like mobile phone. It will be automatically expanded, and id will be menu. We will add some style inside this menu id. We have menu, and let's make the item of menu. I will add 3 items. The first one will be .item. Inside item, I'll add an I tag for icon. Inside I, the the beginning tag of I. This one will be industry purple color big icon. It will be purple color big icon. One more thing, where you can find this icon, you just need to go Semantic UI website. From there you can find an option called icon. Where is it? Inside elements, click on this icon. Here you can find all icon provided by Semantic UI. If you hover over one of this, it will be shown the class names. If I just copy it and paste it inside this class, it will be the same icon. Okay, continue working on menu. I will add some item in right hand side, so just write dot .menu. It will be add some item of menu in right hand side, so just write item.acadr. It will bold the text. Item header. Okay, one more thing, inside a tag I'll write index.html. so when we click on this link, it will go to our home page. So me copy and paste it below a few more times. The second one will be in second one, Control D. Press Control D 3 times, so it will be select all the text of index.html and just write shift 3 for making it hash. Okay, second one will be PROPERTIES ABOUT about block contract BLOGOZ. Copy and paste it below one more times. CONTACT contact. Okay, but one more thing, I need an item of button, so just write .item tab button.ui.suge.button. The button, inside the button the text will be CREATELISTING, create listing. I'll make it PURPLE, purple color. Save it. Before we run this project, we need to add an image in background, so just go to this style.css, just write shift 8, that means star, margin 0 hash landing. This was the name of our main id. Remember, this is the id name landing. Make sure this id is same as this one. Okay, ACIGST height is odd 00 view height. WIDTA is, I will add little bit of CSS. If you don't know how to use CSS, please have please watch some CSS tutorial. CSS and HTML basic, learn fast, and after that learn a framework like Bootstrap or Semantic UI. Double dot mean it will go previous directory. Okay, save it. BACKGRO, background position will be center, background size will be cover, COVER, BACKGROUND, repeat will be no repeat. Save it and let's run the project. Double click on it. On my right side you can see this menu with the button. Okay, and the background image, and remember this icon we added at first. Okay, okay, let's go inside landing. Just write .ui.inverted header, because this text will be our header text. LOREM 10. If you are using Atom or Visual Studio Code, you will get this facility. Just write lorem and how many odd you want. I want 10 odd here, so I can just write lorem 10. Okay, sorry, I forgot it. This will be h2 header 2. Okay, h5 mean header 5. The class will be UIINVERTED This is semantic UI class. Now this time I want 25 odd. Just write lorem25 and press tab. Shift Alt F, so it will reformat your code. Okay, now it's looking better. And one more thing, I want to wrap this two header inside a container, so just dot UI dot container container, and I want to add some space on that mean margin on top, so just write br multiplied by 4 and tab. Just copy this cut this two header and paste it below this br. Okay, it's looking perfect to me. Below this container I will add some margin below this container. Okay, just write br multiplied by 6 tab. Okay, just make one more container tab. It will have an id of filter, so we can style it manually. Just write ui dot accondary dot accordion txt mean this is the class where we will add some manual style txt tab. Okay, we need a button here, button dot ui dot inverted dot button dot active dot tad. Here in active we have some use of active with semantic UI. I will tell you later what we will use by using active. Okay, inside this button we need to make an icon. Just write I dot filter dot icon filter icon. After ending of this I tag I will just write find your place find. Save. We need to go to the semantic UI website. In module section you can find an ACCOR accordion. Actually the pronunciation is wrong. It doesn't matter, you can call it whatever you want. Here this is what effect we want. You see this effect we want, so go to this uses, just copy this two line of code, just copy it and paste it inside your code, inside your js folder main.js. just paste it here. We need to add something to show. We need to add the content here. Just write content content and tab ui.grid grid.double.five.column. This is how we will use grid system of Semantic UI, because we need 5 columns, so we will add like this 5 column, but the row is only one. Inside one row, this row, we will add 5 column. So let's do it. Column, just write column column and tab. Inside column, just add some class ui.acccction.drop drop down. In drop down, I will add an icon I. The class will be drop down dropdownicon. Okay, drop down icon. Below this div, I will add one more div with text class allcities, all cities. In all cities, we will have a menu of all of the cities we want. Just write .menu tab, just write item NEWORK Tokyo TOKIO Tokyo PARIS LONDON. That's the all city we want. This is the menu of drop down. Drop down means when we click, it will give a menu. Okay, in main.js, you need to copy and paste this code. You can find this code from Semantic UI drop down section. Just write Semantic UI drop down. Just copy and paste this style from my GitHub repository. The link will be description. In the description, you can find the link and just copy and paste this code. Otherwise, you can write it by yourself. Okay, I think something went wrong there. Okay, save it. Let's move ahead. Copy and paste it below 4 more time. Column, I made 4 column but I need to make 5 column. Remember, we written there doubling means it will be double when we go to mobile phone device, but in computer it will be 5 column, but in mobile it will be double, that means 2 column. So what I made a mistake here is this one. Just spell it correctly. This was my mistake. Okay, refresh it. Refresh. Not working. The first one is working, the second others one we made mistake because spell incorrectly. So let's copy and paste again. on. Okay, it will not work because we need to close this div here. And inside column we need to UI selection drop down and drop down icon. This is the drop down icon, and it will show when we filter, and this is the menu from where we need to select any of those. Okay, just copy this column and paste it below 4 more times. Okay, 1 2 3, refresh it. Okay, it's looking perfect now. Perfect, it's totally working. Here I will add an button. In last column I will add an button, so just write COLUMN. Okay, just finish it here. Column dot UI dot BUTTON dot UI dot PURPLE color FLUID fluid mean the width will be full BUTTON. The name of button will be ACARCH. Search. Okay, let's make another row with 5 column. Okay, just copy this on this row, full row. What you can do from Sublime Text or Atom or Visual Studio Code, any of the text editor, you can just minimize it like this and right click, copy and paste it below. Okay, let's see our page. Okay, it's looking perfect to me. Okay, you can change the text search to filter or more options, but I will not do this in this project because this project is too lengthy. I need to finish it as fast as possible. Okay, below this header, this landing page, I will add another div with the class of UI.container. Add some margin on the top, BR multiplied by 4 tab. Okay, H2 LOREM 5 tab. This is the description. P tab LOREM 100 tab. It will add 100 word for me, but I don't need 100, I only need this much. Okay, it's okay to me. Let's add few more margin on the bottom of this. Okay, just write BR multiplied by 3 tab. Okay, let's make an grid dot UI dot STACKABAD dot GRID. Okay, we need 2 column TWOCOLUMN in this row, ROW. The first column COLUMN, first column IMG image tag, add some image. I will add some image. Just write img slash first one image image. The class will be class image fluid. Fluid means it will be full width of the image. It will be adjusted perfectly with our context, so we need to give this class. Okay, let's add some text below the image. P dot img text txt. This is our custom made image text. We style it here, you see. Okay, this is not from Semantic UI. Got it? lorem lorem 35. Okay. I don't need this line. Add one more column below. Sorry, not this one. Add one more column below this column. Okay, save. Okay, it's looking good, but what we need to do? We need to do is, I think, what is wrong with it? Oh, we need to change the image. Tokyo Bridge. Let's see how Tokyo Bridge looks. Okay, it's perfect, but below I will add four column row. I'll add an 4 column row here. Just write dot a4ur dot column dot row tab column column img dot image dot fluid tab img slash. Okay, p dot img txt tab lorem 25. It's perfect. Save and copy this column 3 more times. 1 2 3. Okay, save it and reload the page. Now I think you can see. Okay, padding here, sorry, margin, just write br multiplied by 3 is to lorem 7 p lorem 20. Okay, shift alt F, it will reformat the code. br2 dot ui dot stackable dot grid tab. Stackable grid means it will be it will be horizontally on when we go to any device like mobile phone. So this will be responsive. Just add stackable to make it responsive. Okay, dot thrcom dot row. That means we will have 3 column in this row. Dot COLUMN column. I dot LAPTOP dot ACUGE dot ICON icon. H2 dot UI dot BIZ dot ACADER header FULLI RESPONSIVE. Save. Okay, let's reload the page. Let's make 2 more column. Copy and paste it below. Copy and paste it below 2 more times. Shift Alt F. With the same row, 3 column row, the same row, copy and paste it below 1 more time. Okay, now let's see how our page is looking now. Refresh the page. This is how it's looking. Just right click on it and go to this other device, iPhone X. Refresh it. You see all of them are in only single column. So this is the responsiveness of Semantic UI. Okay. Okay, now it's time to add footer. For footer, what I did is I just go to the website google.com. I just search for ACMANTICUIFOOTER footer. Here you can find some example. So you can just copy and paste one of those. This is footer. Just right click on it. From here what I can do is go to elements, this tab. This is the footer. You can see the footer class. From there just right click on it, copy outer HTML, copy it and paste it in your project. This is the pre-made footer for our website. Okay, just refresh it. Perfect, but I think I need to give some padding, margin below it. BR multiplied by not here. You need to give the margin here, BR multiplied by 2. Okay, tab, save. Okay, this is our complete project. If you get any help, you can subscribe my channel and like this video. If you don't understand anything, you can just comment. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.